today's adventure. What's making that spooky screeching sound echo through the Colosseum? Is Malyk truly lost in the underground tunnels? And what scares Pilot Ollie? Let's go see!
Let's go see!
Hola, Junior Jets! Today's mission is in Rome, Italy.
So, what's the mission?
Rome is home to an ancient amphitheater called the Colosseum. Today there is an event showing how gladiators used to battle there. But there's a strange noise that is scaring the visitors. Your mission is to work out what the noise is and stop it.
Mission accepted!
Let's go see Rome. 3, 2, 1.
Chucks away!
Over time, parts of the Colosseum crumbled away and were destroyed, leaving only 1/3 of the original structure.
But today, for the gladiator event, it has been decorated to look how it did over 1,000 years ago.
Whoa!
Amazing!
Impressive, right? It is the world's largest amphitheater. Buongiorno, Junior Jets. I am Marco, the event director here. Oh, and that noise is scaring my audience away. And now I must go. My, how do you say, cat is missing and I need to go look for him. Ciao.
So where do we start?
We should try to follow the sound.
Good idea. Ollie, Lucas, Iris, and Jackson, you search up here. The rest of us will go underground.
Activate your trackers.
Junior Jets, go! I can't believe there are tunnels underneath the Colosseum.
See, and when gladiators battled, these tunnels were used as a backstage area. They would even keep large animals down here, like tigers.
Tigers? Maybe we should check if the others have found the noise. Then we can go back.
There are 80 entrances here. But I don't think we've looked down this one.
Jackson, how far have you got?
Wait, I was just here.
Not very.
Where is that coming from? Where's Malyk?
His tracker isn't switched on.
Whatever it is, it's just around there. I'd better tell the others. I lost the radio signal. Okay, it's down to me. I have to try. It's just my imagination that makes me scared. It's just my imagination. Aviatron torch is going on. Oh, Kitty! Don't worry, I will get you out.
Oh! What's that?
It's me. I found the noise. It was Marco's cat.
Oh, grazie! You found my gatto. And the noise. Thank you, Junior Jets. Now my gladiator show can go on.
Junior Jets, mission complete!
Let's go see!